Hi there fellow design geeks, today we are embarking on the journey into the wonderful world of Figma and design fundamentals. Low Figma films versus high fidelity. If you are just starting out, you are in the luck. And if you are already a design wizard, well hang tight because there is always something new to learn. Okay, let's start with low-fi wireframes. Picture this. Low-fi means low fidelity, which basically translates to keep things delightfully simple and rough in the early stage of your design process. It's like sketching out the blueprint before you start building that dream house. Lofi wireframes are all about basic shapes, boxes, and lines. We are talking about the bare bones here, folks. These wireframes are backbone of your design. They help you plan the layout, figure out where to put those buttons, and sketch out the general structure. It's quick, it's little messy, and boy, it's incredibly useful. Lofi wireframes are your best pals for brainstorming and collaboration. Think of it as a get your idea down on a paper. Now on to high fidelity side of the things. This is where magic happens. High fidelity wireframes are like turning those rough sketches into dazzling masterpiece. It's like going from doodle on the napkin to fancy architectural rendering of your design house. You add buttons, the images, the text. You make it shine like a diamond. So this is where your design truly comes alive. It's pixel perfect. Every detail is meticulously crafted and it's as close as you can get to a real deal without touching a single line of code. High fidelity wireframes are perfect for presentation, user testing, and getting that final stamp of approval. Is they ready to dazzle the world? Now let's talk about our trusty sidekick, Figma. It is the ultimate wingman for both low-fi and high fidelity. Figma makes it breeze to start with low-fi. You can sketch out your ideas, move things around, and see how everything fits together, all in one digital playground. And when it's time to level up your high fidelity, Figma got your back. You can refine your design, add all the visual bells and whistles, and even create interactive prototypes to see how your masterpiece feels to the user. In this course, we are going to dive deep into the both low-fi and high fidelity in Figma. We will learn when to use each, how to seamlessly transform one to the other. We will cover the tools, the tricks, and the secret sauce to make your design truly pop. Remember, it's not about picking sides, it's about knowing when to unleash the power of both. It's like having two superpowers in your design toolkit. So, are you ready to conquer the world? So, get ready to embark on this thrilling adventure of low-fi wireframes versus high fidelity in Figma. We are about to create some design magic together, and I couldn't be more excited. So, see you in the next lesson, and let's make some design dream comes true.